Did you see everything?
Wow. Who came?
Santa.
Yes, he did.
Oh, look, they have some big presents too. Now that is the. Oh, that's just a bag. I didn't even know that was a bag.
Are you excited? And what is this? Thank you for the beautiful cookies. They were the nicest ones I had all night. Merry Christmas, Santa.
Hey, look, he ate some of them.
Oh my God. And
Look.
drink his milk.
Whoa, he did.
It was all gone. He ate half the cookies.
Awesome. High five.
Say half the cookies.
Look.
What's that?
Yes. I wanted this.
I know.
Oh. What? Oh.
Look, put these go in there. Oh, look, I see SpongeBob back there.
Yeah, I was just about to tell you, Dad. And I was just telling you, Mom.
We're gonna wake up for here. Just let her wake up.
That'll be really exciting.
Hey, who I left?
You know what those are?
No.
They're called pliers.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. There are Paul.
Say bye-bye. For now. For now.